In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify a dot talk template so that it can be put into Seesaw as an activity for your students. So I created a folder with a bunch of dot talks and a template so you can create your own. And I will share this link to this folder in the notes for this video. So I am in a template and I'm going to make a copy of that template. And once I have a copy, then I should be able to edit it. And then I can modify. So let's just say I just wanted to get rid of these last two rows. So I'm going to select, oops, let's wait until it's fully loaded. So, all right. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to click and drag. I'm going to select these two rows of dots and I will delete them. And then I'm going to select some dots at random and then hold shift, select another dot, another dot, another dot, and delete them. So let's say I wanted this as my pattern. If I thought this was a little bit too small and I wanted to make it bigger on the page, I can select them all, hold shift, and then if I drag it out, then it's going to keep that same aspect ratio, and then the circles will still be circles instead of being ovals. And then you can have the choice of just having students write the number here in Seesaw, or if you want them to share with you the strategy that they use to finding their number, you could switch it out with this one right here. Let's see, if I did that, I probably want to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, there we go. So once you have that, then I am going to turn this into a picture file. So right now it's just in Google Draw, but if I go to File, Download As, I can make it into a picture file. So I'm going to do a JPEG, and it's going to end up being right here. I also know that my downloads go to my download folder, which is located on my bar down here. And then if I go to Seesaw, I can click on plus and create or share an activity. And then it's going to take me to my library where I'm going to see things that I've saved, things that I've created, and just a quick shout out to Lori Philippa because I got this idea for Dot Talk with a template from her. So I will click on New Activity, and I'm going to title it. I'm going to skip the directions for now, and then I'm going to click on Add Template and click on Add File. Since I know that this file is down here, I can just drag and drop it, or you can select from your computer or select it from Google Drive, but for me it's easiest to just drag and drop. And I just want one picture file because if you do one picture, instead of adding more, then they actually can draw over this one picture. So click the check mark. I don't need to add anything else, but if you needed to do that, you could do it here. And then I can do directions. But if you go back to my template, you'll see right here that I have this. It says copy and paste the following directions in. So I'm going to just copy that, Command C or Control C, and then paste it. And it looks a little funny here, but these words that have two colons around them, they're actually going to turn into images. So if I click save, you will see what I mean. Once I save it, you'll see the template that I made, and then you'll see the directions with those words that you saw surrounded in colons replaced by images. And once you have that, click on share, and then you can share it with whichever classes that you want to. And then when you do that, it will show up in the activity feed. So let's say I want to take a look at it in my TK2 math class. And I see it here, and this is what your students are going to see as well. So, thanks for watching.